And here's a live look downtown tonight. We can see the flag waving there, just not rapidly, but a nice little breeze outside.
No.
These are my favorite days, the little bit of a breeze with blue skies and sun.
Mine too. It just makes me want to find time to go have lunch outside.
That's
just
right.
enjoy some
That's
time
right.
outside. And if you don't get off work or you're too busy this afternoon, maybe this evening you need to make some time to get outside, because the weather, I don't think it gets more perfect than this, especially in the month of August. We are going to have things changing as we go through the next several days, so enjoy today while you can. This morning we eventually fell to 60 degrees for our overnight low. Normal low is 65, and so far for the noon hour, Indianapolis is up to 76 degrees. 79 right now in Kokomo. It's 80 in Logansport, 74 in Muncie, 79 in Greensburg, 78 in Bloomington, and 77 degrees in Greencastle. Latest satellite radar shows that we do have mostly clear skies, and just like the last few days, we are going to get our fair share of sunshine. That continues as we look towards Greensburg Elementary School there, and in the city of Westfield, where we have those blue skies too. So enjoy the rest of the afternoon. The only thing that may be getting in your way a little bit are the pollen counts are going up. Today, we're basically at that moderate level. We stay there on Friday and Saturday, but as we head into Sunday, that goes into the high category, and nettle and grasses are going to be the top two pollens that we're seeing. This afternoon, a beautiful day. Temperatures eventually up to about 82 degrees. We just love days like this, especially during the time of August when our normal high is usually 85 and humidity is much higher too. 81 in Peru today, 81 in Muncie and Rushville, 82 in Nashville, and 84 degrees in Bedford. Indians are at home again tonight against Toledo. Those clear skies with temperatures falling into the upper 70s by 8 o'clock. By 10 o'clock, still in the upper 70s, it's 78 degrees. Tonight down to 63, mostly clear and nice. And then for tomorrow, we're going to add more to the forecast, more heat and more humidity. 86 degrees for your Friday, and in the 7-day forecast, the humidity really starts to go up for the weekend. On Saturday, we'll top out at 88 degrees, Sunday 89, and then as we start to head into Monday, we could hit 90. It's been a pretty cool August, so if we hit 90 degrees with scattered showers and thunderstorms, it's going to be a little bit of a milestone for us. And on Tuesday, temperatures drop, but those scattered showers and thunderstorms are still going to be possible at that time too.